What if everything we believed about life beyond our planet was built on shaky ground? What if the cosmos, with all its mysteries and wonders, held secrets that challenge our very existence? This is the essence of the Fermi Paradox, a question wrapped in enigma and intrigue, inviting us to explore the vastness of space and the silence that surrounds it. The Fermi Paradox, named after the renowned physicist Enrico Fermi, poses a simple yet profound question. If the universe is so vast, and if there are countless stars, many of which have planets in their habitable zones, where is everybody? With an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each containing millions or even billions of stars, the odds seem to be in favor of extraterrestrial life. Yet, we find ourselves alone in the vastness, or at least, we believe so. Imagine standing beneath a starlit sky, gazing up at the countless twinkling lights. Each star a sun, each sun a potential home for life. The Milky Way alone is estimated to harbor over 100 billion planets. Some scientists suggest that perhaps 1 in 5 stars could have a planet in the so-called Goldilocks zone, neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist. Water, the essential foundation for life as we know it. So, with such staggering numbers, why do we not see evidence of aliens? Why haven't we received a message from them, or discovered even a hint of their existence? As we delve deeper into this paradox, we find ourselves tangled in a web of scientific theories, possibilities, and pure speculation. One of the most compelling explanations for the Fermi Paradox is the concept of the Great Filter. This idea suggests that there is some stage in the evolution of life that is incredibly difficult to surpass. It raises an unsettling question. Are we, as a civilization, rare because we have already passed through the Great Filter, or is it still ahead of us, waiting to extinguish our chances of becoming a spacefaring civilization? To understand the Great Filter, we must first consider the potential stages of life's evolution. In a universe teeming with possibilities, how does life arise? The journey begins with the formation of stars and planets, followed by the emergence of basic life forms. From there, we can envision a series of evolutionary milestones: the development of multicellular organisms, the advent of intelligence, and ultimately, the rise of a technological society capable of interstellar communication. Each step may be fraught with challenges, and not every planet may make it through unscathed. Let's pause for a moment to contemplate the enormity of this journey. Imagine a planet like Earth, spinning in its orbit, rich with diverse ecosystems and vibrant life. Yet this life is the product of billions of years of evolution, shaped by cosmic events, environmental changes, and the delicate balance of natural processes. The emergence of intelligent life is a rare event in the grand tapestry of existence. Could it be that, while microbial life might be common, intelligent civilizations capable of interstellar communication are exceedingly rare? The possibility that advanced civilizations exist but are simply not communicating with us. Perhaps they are using technologies far beyond our comprehension, or they have chosen to remain silent, observing us from the shadows. This idea opens a door to the concept of the zoo hypothesis, the notion that extraterrestrial civilizations are deliberately avoiding contact, treating Earth as a kind of cosmic zoo, allowing us to evolve without interference. What could motivate such a decision? Perhaps they are following a strict ethical guideline, much like the Prime Directive from the science fiction universe of Star Trek, which prohibits advanced civilizations from interfering with the natural development of less advanced societies. Alternatively, they may be aware of the dangers of revealing themselves to a civilization that is still grappling with its own technological and social challenges. As we explore the implications of this hypothesis, we must also consider the possibility that advanced civilizations self-destruct before achieving interstellar communication. The tragic irony is that the very technologies that propel us toward the stars could also lead to our downfall. Nuclear weapons, climate change, and artificial intelligence represent just a few of the existential threats we must navigate. Are we on a collision course with our own demise, Or can we learn from the mistakes of potential civilizations that came before us? Another angle to the Fermi Paradox is the vastness of space itself. The distances between stars are mind-boggling, and even if a civilization develops the technology for interstellar travel, the time it takes to traverse such distances poses significant challenges. Our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. With current technology, a spacecraft would take thousands of years to reach it. The high cost, both in terms of resources and time, could deter civilizations from exploring beyond their solar systems. Moreover, the age of the universe comes into play. While Earth has been around for about 4.5 billion years, the universe itself is nearly 14 billion years old. Civilizations may rise and fall in the blink of an eye on cosmic timescales. Just think about it. What if intelligent life has emerged and vanished countless times before us, their signals lost to the vast stretches of time? We might be living in a cosmic window, the brief moment when intelligent life manages to exist and thrive, albeit in isolation. So, what evidence do we have to support or refute these theories? Scientists have made significant strides in searching for extraterrestrial life through missions like the Kepler Space Telescope, which has identified thousands of exoplanets, some of which lie in their star's habitable zone. The search for microbial life on Mars and the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn continues to captivate researchers. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe, yet with every finding, the question remains, where is everybody? The Drake equation, formulated by astronomer Frank Drake in 1961, attempts to quantify the number of communicative civilizations in our galaxy. It considers various factors, including the number of stars formed, the fraction of stars with planets, the number of habitable planets, and the likelihood of life developing. While this equation offers a framework for understanding the potential for extraterrestrial life, it is ultimately speculative. Each variable is steeped in uncertainty, and the results can vary widely based on the assumptions we make. As we confront the Fermi Paradox, we are not merely pondering the existence of alien life, we are also reflecting on our own humanity. The silence of the cosmos serves as a mirror, reflecting our fears, hopes, and aspirations. It challenges us to consider the fragility of our existence and the choices we make as a species. In our quest for knowledge and exploration, we must also grapple with the ethical implications of our actions on a planetary and cosmic scale. Are we prepared to engage with the unknown? The thought of encountering alien civilizations evokes a whirlwind of emotions: curiosity, fear, excitement. As we advance in our technological prowess, we must also cultivate wisdom and responsibility. The universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. With each step we take in our exploration, we must remember that we are part of a larger cosmic narrative. As we reach the conclusion of our deep dive into the Fermi Paradox, we find ourselves at a crossroads. We are left with more questions than answers. Are we alone? Or are we simply not looking in the right places? What does the silence of the universe teach us about ourselves? The journey to understand the Fermi Paradox is not just an intellectual pursuit. It is an invitation to explore the depths of our imagination and the possibilities that lie ahead. What happens next in our quest to uncover the mysteries of space? The search for extraterrestrial life is an adventure that is only just beginning. Each discovery brings us closer to unraveling the secrets of the cosmos, igniting our curiosity and fueling our desire to reach for the stars. Who knows what we will find? Perhaps one day, the silence will be broken, and we will hear the voices of the cosmos echoing back to us. As we close this chapter, let us carry the wonder of the unknown with us. The universe is a vast, uncharted territory, full of mysteries waiting to be explored. We may not have all the answers today, but the journey is what matters. Let us continue to ask questions, to seek knowledge, and to embrace the adventure of exploration. Stay tuned for more and don't miss out. Subscribe now to join us on our quest to uncover the secrets of the universe.